Material: high-impact plastic stainless bolts. Convex mirror with wide view and image stabilization. Worm tips. This mirror only compatible with 2 roll bar. Strong and durable. The materials used are premium anodized aluminum with screws on the clamps which are superior to others. Easy installation. The side brackets use a sturdy adjustment knob to vary the horizontal and vertical adjustments. More safety. Real glass lens of the mirror, give you non-distorted and super clear images, helping to reduce blind spots and ensure your driving safety. Custom fit. This convex design mirror is compatible with Talon 1000R 1000X, Canon Maverick Commander, except X3, Viking, boats, cars, trucks, machines, tractors, heavy equipment with 2-inch clamps roll bar. Top reviews from the United States. Good for the money. Good little rear view mirror. Easy installation and seems to give good range of view. Only complaint is that the mounting brackets hang lower than I'd like below the roll bar, but that is extremely minor.